Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mooli and welcome back to another review video. Now, wedding season has arrived. So what we need in this wedding season? A good affordable facial kit. And facial can be really expensive at parlor. Trust me, it can cost you thousands upon thousands upon thousands. So in today's video, I am going to introduce to you a very affordable facial kit, and it's a reusable facial kit as well. You can use this facial kit not for once or twice but 3 times. So if you are attending weddings back to back to back, you can glow back to back as well, because a good skin looks good without makeup. Makeup can enhance your beauty but not your glow, right? So in today's video, we are going to talk about some facial kit from Nature Essence. I have with me 5 different kits, but we are going to demonstrate in today's video this fruit facial kit because I love fruit facial. Because when it comes to winter, all I can think about is yummy different type of fruits, veggies and whatnot. So today's video in the name of fruit facial kit. So this baby right here retails for 260 rupees, and this is a 3-use kit, and additionally you are getting a D10 pack free. So per facial you are spending less than 85 rupees. So it's a great product, and this kit will take only an hour, not more than that. So you are saving up your time and you are glowing from within as well with this facial kit. So this facial kit has 4 different steps. Additionally, it has a D10 step as well. So overall, it has only 5 steps, and they are very easy to use as well. They have squeeze tube packaging, so it's really easy to use. You don't have to think about like how to keep it after use, because sometimes facial kit comes in sachet, so that is like really difficult to keep it for the next use, right? But this one does not. This has 5 different tubes, which is really easy to use. You just have to squeeze it and the product will come off from the packaging. And additionally, this facial kit is suitable for all skin type. If you have oily, sensitive, acne prone or dry skin type, you can use this product. So I hope I have mentioned all the brief. Now let's move on to the application, wherein I will be showing you my before and after as well, because before and after is very important. You will see a massive change on my face. So I cannot wait to show you the change as well as the process, how you should use this product step by step and how much time you actually need. Everything I'm going to be briefing you in this video. So further ado, let's move on to the application. So have you seen how easy it was, and have you seen how much of my face changed after an hour? And I am just so blown away by this facial kit. And the application that I have shown you was not my first application. It was actually my second application, and I have used the diamond facial kit previously from this brand, and there I have mentioned that how it did not cause me any breakout or anything so far. And this one has the same formulation as well. It did not cause me any acne or any breakout or not even any purging. I don't know if you can get purging, but sometimes you can get purging because your face goes through a lot when you are massaging, scrubbing, washing and applying the creams and all of that, so obviously it can irritate your skin a little bit, but this one did not. It is just so gentle on the skin. So I'm just so intrigued by these products, and I highly recommend you guys to go for any of the variants that they have, like the fruit facial, golden facial, diamond facial, pearl facial, papaya facial. So they have 5 different variants to choose from, and I can say from my previous experience that all of them are fairly good, and you can use this facial kit once in every 2 weeks. I was also using it only once in every 2 weeks, and I have got an amazing result. As I have mentioned, it was my second application which I have demonstrated in this video. So if you are looking out for an affordable facial kit for this festive season, I will highly recommend you guys to go for Nature Essence facial kit, because they are just so gentle on the skin. It does not cause you any irritation on your face. So far you can see I have no breakout or anything. Although I have my makeup on, you can see I have no breakout so far. It did not irritate my skin any way or the other. I will put all the links in the description box below. You can go ahead and check any of the kit out. I will highly suggest this affordable kit, guys. Go and grab. And yeah, that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Bye.